Now you're quite habituated with those techniques and those algorithms. I think screen is visible to you. Okay, so the first question here, number 3 for today, is x minus cos x equals to 0. Okay, you have to solve it this by using bisection method, correct up to 2 decimal places. So last day, if you recall, we have solved some problems, and which one is actually uh, I ask you to solve up to 4 stage or 5 stage. I mean 4 iteration or 5 iteration. Okay, now in this question, in this case, I'm not specifying this iteration. That iteration is depending on the uh, solution. So what we are asking about, that you have to find the root of the specific function up to certain decimal places. Here I have mentioned that you have to solve up to 2 decimal places. Okay, so techniques are same. Started with fx equals to x minus cos x equals to 0. Screen is visible. Let me check. I think just a minute. Just a minute. Okay, I think it's visible now. So uh, here fx equals to x minus cos x. Okay, don't need to write 0, or you can write 0, whatever is possible. So first we'll go for heat and trial method, and in this case, if I find f of 0 equals to -1, which is negative, and f of 1, which is 0.54597, which is positive. That means the transition is actually present here. There is a transition present here in between 0 to 1. Okay, one transition present here in between 0 to 1. So root lying between 1 to 0. Okay, and don't write like 1 to 0, because 0 is negative, so 0 to 1 is better to write it up. So 0 to 1. Next step, you know, always we have to go for the iterations and table. So start without wasting time, start proceeding. Okay, and also please tell me the answer on chat box. Okay, so first iteration in, then we'll go for A, go for B, and xn, and then go for update, f of xn, at last update. All right, so first iteration, a equals to 0, b equals to 1, xn equals to 0.5. F of xn means, as you know, it will be uh, x minus cos x. So something like answer, how to type in calculator, answer minus cos of answer. Okay, your calculator must be in
Minus
radian
zero
mode.
point 776.
Sorry, Deepak.
Minus 0.3776.
3776. Okay, Deepak, thank you. So it's negative. Negative means we have to update a, right? So we have to update a, that means x1 equals to a. So in second iteration, I will update it like 0.5, and b will be same 1, and it will be 0.75, and calculate it and tell me the answer on chat box quick. All of you try to be fast enough.
0.7500.
0.7500. Okay.
Sorry, sorry.
0.7. It's not,
Yes,
it's not, I think. It's wrong. So use this. Yes, Sam. 0.0183. 0.0183. Okay. 0.0183, and it is positive. Okay. Since it's positive, we have to update x2 now. x2 equals to b. Okay. So we'll get to 2 number 3. Number 3 will be 0.5 and 0.75, and it will be, what is going to be the midpoint of 0.5 and 0.75?
0.625.
0.625. See, we need to get the answer up to 2 decimal place. Okay, remember, we need to get the answer up to 2 decimal place. That means if you keep up to 3 decimal place, that's okay. Okay, because you will get the root over here in xn. You will get the root over here in xn. It will be your updated root. So what is f of xn? F of x3. F of x3 will be minus 0.1860. Okay, and it is negative. Since it is negative, okay, x3 will be a. So again, number 4, it is 0.625, and it is 0.75. So what is the midpoint? 0.625 and 0.75. Midpoint is
0.675.
0.6875. Correct. 0.6875. And it will be, what is fx? F of x4, so I'm, okay, so I'm writing minus 0.085. Please check. Bansi, okay, also correct. Okay, Manan, good. So it's negative. Again, it's negative means x4. Now I have to update at b. x4 equals to b. Okay, so number 5. Number 5. Sorry, x4 equals to a. Sorry, x4 equals to a. This is negative. So same, x4 equals to a. So it's going to be 0.6875, 0.75. Now tell me what is xn. Midpoint 0.7188, 0.7188. All right, 0.7188. And what is the function value? Okay, Sam, wait for others response. Okay, sir, it's minus 0.338, and it is negative. Since it is negative, x5 we have to update to a. That means sixth iteration, a, it's going to be 0.7188, 0.75. So what is the midpoint? 0.7344, correct. 0.7344. Calculate f of x n. Okay, Sven, it is negative 0.078. Again, it's a negative value. So replacing a, x is will replace a. So 7 iteration, proceeding for 7th iteration, will getting 0. X6 will replace by a, that means 0.7344 and 0.75. Tell me the midpoint. 0.7422. 0.72422. Correct, Ghaziabas. Correct, Jeet. And we'll get 0.0052. Now it's positive. Now my question is that shall I stop now or shall I move further? Because I need to go for up to 2 decimal place. Now look at this. In this case, I get 2 decimal place means uh, this one 73 0.73, and it is 74. Are they same? They are not same, right? One is 0.73, another one is 0.74. That means I still not achieve our target, so I have to go for another iteration. Okay, to achieve our target, this 2 decimal place should be same, first 2 decimal place. Okay, so I have to go further again. What we'll do, let's do it like x7, sorry, x7 is equals to a, sorry, b, because it's positive, so it's b. So b will be replaced, so it's something like this, and 0.7422. Okay, Swam, I will get 0.73. I will get 0.7383. Now shall I stop now? What do you think? Tell me, shall I stop now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Kusan, yes, good. Correct. So we have to stop now, guys. Try to understand. We have to stop now. Look at this 74 and look at this 738. 738 means 74. 738 means what? Can approximate up to 74. That means we can stop here, and this is your result. This is your specific result and specific root. All right, up to 2 decimal place. So root up to 2 decimal place is 0.74. Your answer will be 0.74. Okay, so write down uh, approximate root is equals to 0.74 up to 2 decimal place. Up to 2 decimal. Yes, yes, Hiba. Questions they ask you up to 2 decimal place. That's why I have solved up to 2 decimal place. Okay, Hiba. Getting my point? So we get the result up here up just by 8th iteration. Only in 8th iteration I have got my result. Okay, let's write down C on chat box if it is clear to you, such that I can move forward for the next question. Quick C on chat box.
Sir, why we write approximate?
Because it's not exact root, Kusan. It's not the exact root. We are approximating. If someone asks you for up to 3 decimal place, then we could have to do another few iterations. If someone asks you up to 4 decimal place, then we have to do more iterations. Since they ask you for 2 decimal place, that's why we can end up to only 8 iterations. Okay, that's why the root is not exact. It's an approximate root. It's an approximation.
So every time we need to write approximate root.
Yes, yes. Every time you have to write approximate root, and equals to 0.74, and you can write in bracket up to 2 decimal place, up to 3 decimal place. You can write in bracket. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, guys. So let's proceed for the next question. Okay, we have observed this one is correct, and here we have done up to 11 iteration, but we can stop up to 8 iteration. That's okay. Okay. Question number 4. Question number 4. Uh, Using the bisection method in 4 stages is mentioned. It's wrong, not in 4 stages. It's updating my questions. It's not 4 stages. Update it in bisection method up to 3 decimal place. 3 decimal places. Okay. So now it's your turn. Okay. Just solve it, and one by one I will give you think 5 minutes, 7 minutes is good enough. 7 minutes of time. Complete it and tell me the answer one by one. Quick, independently. Use your calculator. If you have any doubts, you can ask me at any point of time, but you have to do it independently. Okay, solve it and also tell me the answer one by one. Okay, I will make it first. First thing, what you have to tell me that what is A and what is B. Write down over on chat box. One by one, you have to write it. Okay. So all of you have to participate. Okay. So first thing you have to tell me what is A and what is B. After that, I will ask you what are the value of at iterations. Okay. Now go for it. Quick. Okay, so everyone is getting A equals to 2, B equals to 3. And for the timing, your answer is correct. A equals to 2 and B equals to 3. Yes, correct. You can move forward. A equals to 2, that means fx equals to -9. And B equals to 3, that means fx equals to 6. Very good, all of you. Well done. Okay, A equals to 2 and B equals to 3. Well done. Sam, Manan, Waha, Utsav, Bansi, Tejas, Ali Mehboob, Deep, Gaji Abbas, Mansi, Manav, Jeet. Well done. Sianidi, Vasu. Good. Okay, so now next step. Next step is creating the table. Okay, so A equals to 2 and B equals to 3 is been declared. Okay, so to create a table, so n equals to, first is n a b x n, this is a plus b by 2 f of xn, and update. Okay, up to 3 decimal places. Remember, up to 3 decimal places I need the answer. So a2 b3, start solving. Okay, and what you have to tell me, you have to tell me over here in third iteration, I want to know the answer at third iteration. What is the value of fxn? These two value, fxn and x3. These two things you have to tell me now. Next target. Okay, go for it.
Sir, is it up to third iteration? Hello, sir.
No, up, not up to third iteration. You have to go up to third decimal place. Okay, the question is
Three
that
decimal places, right?
no, up to any iteration. Okay, up to third decimal place. You have to find up to third decimal place. Okay, so your target is now have to write this space. What is the value of x3 and f of x3? Okay, write on chat box. I will check it, because everything is chain. If you done correct second step already, then you will reach to the third step and you also get the correct answer. If you somehow missed up in the second step, then definitely you will get a wrong result in third step. So tell me what is x3 and f of x3. Okay, I'm waiting for your answers, all of you. Quick. All right, so those who have got the answer, x3 equals to 2.625 is correct. 2.625 is correct, and f of x2 equals to minus 1.4121. So this is the correct answer. All right, very good, guys. So 2.625 is correct, and it is going to be minus 1.4121. All right. So if you have done some mistake, please update your answer. Otherwise, many of you give the correct answer. Good. Next step, I want the answer at sixth iteration. I want the answer at sixth iteration. I want to know what is updated A, what is updated B at sixth iteration. Okay. What is xn and what is f of xn at sixth iteration. Do accordingly, calculate and tell me at sixth iteration. This box you have to fill it up. I'm waiting for you. Also, don't need to write x4 and x. I don't want that. You have to calculate separately. Calculate yourself. Okay. Don't need to write on chat box. Write on chat box only what is a b x6 and f of x6 at sixth iteration. Okay, Vasu. Don't need to write others. I mean, at fourth iteration, fifth iteration, you have to calculate. Okay, calculate it and separately and in cool manner. Okay, don't do mistake. Don't need to be hurry enough. Okay, do it and tell me the answers. What is a b updated a updated b and xn and f of xn? Anyone done yet?
It's done, sir.
Okay, Lina, post the answer on chat box in one shot only. All of you post the answer in one shot, like Kusan posted. All of you post the answer in one shot at N6. What happened? Only got the answer from Kusant and Tejas. Waiting for others.
Sir, I also get the answer.
Okay, please write down on chat box, Manan.
सर मैं लिख दिया पहले ही.
Okay. Sorry. I didn't check it. Yeah, Manan, I got it. Those who already got it and wrote the answer, please calculate the other steps as well. And next, you have to stop at ninth iteration. Next, I will ask you to write the step of ninth iteration. All of you go forward. And next, you have to write what is A and B. What is A, B, and Xn? Only these three things in ninth iteration. Okay. Next task is if you completed sixth iteration, okay, write down on chat box and I will rectify it. Let me check it. Correct answer, yes, Ali Mehu, Gaji Abbas, Bansi, Deep, Sabij, Nancy, Tejas, Kusant, Manav. Correct answer. All of you are getting correct answer. Good. So it's something like 2.6875 and B is 2.6 7188. Xn is 2.7032, and this is going to be 0.0606. All right, this is correct, fully correct. Okay, someone can get 3-1 also. I can, this is okay. If you get 2.7031, that is also okay. If you get 2.3032, that is also okay. That is, I can manage. Next, you have to stop at number 9th iteration. Next, you have to stop at number 9 iteration. Go forward
Sir,
and
complete. Sir,
okay,
complete.
write down number 9th iteration, Kusan. After that, I will ask you to write down the answer at that last point. Now write down number 9th iteration and go forward.
Sir, we can stop here also. I think so.
At 9,
Yes.
at 9, mm, yeah, you can stop at 9. You can stop at 9. It's possible.
Because there is 5, so we can
Yes,
directly assume.
705 and 71 we can write. So your answer root will be 2.71. Correct. Good. 2.71 is going to be your root. Or else if you want to more to be more precise, then you can go up
Sorry,
to another two iteration. You will get more precisely 2.71 is going to be the answer. Correct. So it will be, you can check guys, as Kusant and Manan said, yes, both are correct. It's 2.7032 and it's 2.7071 and it's 2.705. All right. We need the answer up to 3 decimal place. Okay, we need the answer up to 3 decimal place. Manan, sorry, Husant, we need the answer up to 3 decimal place, not 2 decimal place. So we have to do another 2 operations, another 2 iterations, because it is 2.707 in last iteration and now it is 2.705. 707 and 705 are not same because we need up to 3 decimal place. Okay, so go forward for another 2 iteration. All of you go forward for another 2 iteration and you have to end at 11th iteration. You have to end at 11th iteration. Go forward, all of you. End at 11th iteration and tell me what is the answer at 11th iteration. All these 3 values A, B and C. A, B and Xn. At 11th iteration, please write down. Those who have completed 9th iteration's work, well done Tejas, Gajiapas, Manan. Only few of you has been completed. What about others? Please write down. I told you to write down on chat box. Don't presume anything. Okay, Sam, do it. No problem. I'm waiting for you. Well done, Hasti, Waha, Jeet, Nancy, Swam, Mansi. Well done. Now follow the next step and go forward for 11th iteration. And I want the answer at 11th iteration. What is A, B, and Xn? Still, many of you didn't give me the answers. Hyder Alkanes, Ibrahim Asad, Tipayan Barua.
Yes, sir. Yes. I will do it.
Do it now and write down. Will do it means what? Yatin, not getting response from you. Sanjay, not getting response from you. Isa Abbas, Angam, Ayush, Ali Zulfikar Ali. See, if you are not active enough, then don't attend my class. You have to be active enough and send the work. Okay. Okay, good, good. Okay, Brian, can understand. I can understand, but what you have to do, ask uh, your friends to help you, like who have already attended the lectures. Okay, they will help you, and you have to come back in these lectures from next lectures onwards. Okay, I will not allow you from next lectures. Today I am allowing you Ibrahim Omran. From next lecture, you have to incorporate with all the stuffs. Okay, ask Hassan, Lina, everyone. Okay, they can help you in your own language. Okay, they will help you in your own language, and you have to incorporate with all those current things from next lectures. Ibrahim Omran, I hope you are getting my point. Okay, good. Okay, so 11th. Okay, 11th one, nearly all of you have done. So 11th iteration, a equals to 2.7061 or 62, and b equals to 2.707 or 71, and xn equals to 2.7065 or 67, whatever. It's okay. So we have to stop here at 11th iteration, and your answer will be 2.707 is going to be the root. It is 2.7062 and 2.707. 7071 2.7067, whatever. Okay, good. So don't need to calculate fx because we will stop here because it's actually matched with the last 10th iteration. If you calculate the 10th iteration, you will got something like 2.70. What you got in 10th iteration?
6-2.
Okay, you got 6.
Sir, we cannot stop here.
Yes, we cannot stop here. We have to move further because it's 6.2 and it's 6.7. 6.2 and 6.7 means it's 6.7 means it's 707, and 6.2 means it's 706. Okay, because I think there was one last problem, last digit problem was there. Okay, that's why.
I think of the
Okay,
12th iteration.
my calculation.
Hello.
Yes, 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 Deepak.
12, sir, 12th iteration completed. 2.7065.
7065. Yes, then you can stop at 12th iteration.
12th iteration.
Yes, I have no space. So stop at 12th iteration. I'm writing over here. 12th iteration, you will get xn equals to 2.7065, which is actually approximated to 707. And this is also 707. So these two are actually we can stop now. At 11 and 12, both are 707. So we can stop and we can write the approximate root Okay, stop at 12th iteration, all of you. Please stop at 12th iteration. Approximate root will be 2.707, which is up to 3 decimal places. Up to 3 decimal places. Okay. Please write down C on chat box if it is clear to you, such that I can move forward for the next question quick.
Sir,
Yes, yes,
sir, I
yes.
got 10 of 12 માં મને 2.7069 મળ્યું.
That's okay. 12.69 got 7069.
Yes,
Okay,
7069.
still it is okay because 7069 means 707. Okay, that's okay, no problem. 7069 is okay, it's accepted. Okay,
Okay.
just a minute, I'm just presenting, just wait. Okay, so the next question is x e power x minus 5 cos x. So next question is x e power x minus 5 cos x equals to 0. So what you have to do, find the roots, find a root using bisection method up to 3 decimal places. This is the last question of bisection method, and after that I will start new algorithm and new method that is called regular falsing. So question number 5, this is the last question today discuss. All of you start working, and the first thing you have to tell me, like, this is f of x. F of x equals to x e power x minus 5 cos x. Okay, what is a? Tell me what is a and b. First thing you have to tell me, write down on chat box. And I hope you know how to write this function in uh, your calculator. Okay, so already we have solved similar problem on last day. Okay, so I think it's not difficult task for you. Okay, quick, do it and tell me what is a and b. So if you are not well aware about the calculator, what you have to do, suppose you are finding f of 0 or f of 1. Let's say f of 1, so you have to write bracket 1. Okay, shift ln or ln, that means it is going to be e power 1, like this, e1 minus 5 cosine of 1. Okay, okay Kusant, I got your answer. All of you please write down what is a and b quick on chat box. Correct, it is very easy to say that a equals to 0 and b equals to 1 is correct. A equals to 0 and b equals to 1, and we can proceed according to that. So now your task to construct the table. Quick construction is required. We have only 5 minutes left. So it's n a b xn f of xn and update. So what you have to write, just I need few specific iterations I will ask you, and you have to write on that equations only, on that iterations only. Okay, so I will give you the hint. We will get the result at because we need a ninth up to 3 decimal place. Up to 3 decimal place means we will get the result at 12th iteration. I can give you the hint. You can get the result at 12th iteration. So I need the answer at 3rd, 6th, and 9th and 12th. Okay, I need your answer at third iteration, 6th iteration, 9th, and the last 12th. All right, so what you have to tell me, a, b, and xn. A, b, and xn in each steps: 3rd, 6th, 9th, and 12th. So don't jump on 12 first, it is not possible though. So first go for 3rd and write down on chat box and calculate in gradual manner and with patience. Patience is important because it's a calculations, it's not any other things. And you know, if you missed a single digit, suppose the regular answer is 5.79, you got the answer 5.76, we will it's mandatory to cut the marks. Okay, we will definitely cut your marks. Okay, because this precision is very important here in this subject. So You have the calculator, use it in beneficial manner, and definitely uh, get the answer correct way with the patience. Okay? Go for it. 3, 6, 9th, and 12th. By that time, I will take you attendance. You have to calculate. Okay, don't leave the class.